Here's a random data set that I made in Mathematica, and I want to show you how we can change the name of the third column from C to new. And in something like Excel, this would be very easy. I'd just click up here in the header cell for this third column, and I could type in new, and then I'd be done. But how can I do it in Mathematica? Well, I'm going to show you a way that it's not nearly as easy as that, but it's also a good chance to practice with some of the operations on data sets in Mathematica. So my first step is I'm not going to delete this column C or rename it yet. I'm going to keep all of this material the same, and then I'm going to append a new column onto the right-hand side that comes from this C. So the new column is going to be named new, and it's going to have the exact same contents as column C. So let's see how to do that. I take ds, this data set, and then I say I want all rows, and then I use this association notation with pound, which that's like saying keep all of these 5 columns. And then this part is saying also get me a new column, and how should I fill it? Let's fill it with the contents of this column C. Okay, and then I finish up the association, and this pink color here, this is reminding me to finish up the pure functions with an ampersand sign. So there, that's looking better. And now I close off the last bracket and evaluate. So here you see that I have a new column with the exact same contents as C. Okay, and remember I could have also denoted this way. Okay, that also would have worked. And so let's name this new data set. Let's call it new ds. And now let's use some other notation to make a third data set where this C column gets replaced by the new column. So how can I do that? I'm going to say, how about final data set? Because this will be the last thing I have to do. Start with new data set. Get me all of the rows, and then which columns do I want? Well, I don't need to use any formulas in this case, so I can use a little different notation from this association notation up here. I can use list notation, and I can say, give me column A, give me column B, give me column new, give me column D, give me column E. And then I close off the list. And so here you can see that this moved the new column over into the third slot.